Do you remember what we were learning about before break? We started talking about holidays and celebrations. We talked again about Thanksgiving, Martin Luther King Day. We reviewed all the major holidays that we learned about in December. This week, we are going to finish up learning about holidays. We're going to talk a little bit today about a couple holidays, and then I want you to think about it with your family, and if you can draw me a picture of how you're going to celebrate them, that would be great. Let's watch this video to review. These students are in school learning about the 4th of July. We learned already about Martin Luther King Day and how he had a dream. Here's a giant parade. Here's a family celebrating Thanksgiving. Here's a family celebrating Independence Day on the 4th of July. Why do we celebrate people and events? Do you remember what we talked about in class? Can you tell your parents or ask them why they think we celebrate people and events? Let's get to work.